Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, if you're a Swift owner, I'm guessing that this video is going to be one that you've been waiting for, and that is the questions and answers we put to Swift regarding the sunroof issue. Now, how we're going to do it is Juliet is going to read out the questions which were provided by yourselves, apart from question 1, which was my question, and I'm going to read out the answers, okay? So, first of all, we'll start with my question. I'll put my glasses on now.
Can there be a definitive protocol for customers after a crack is discovered with regards to making a temporary repair to reduce further damage? Not all customers are handy with tools and ladders. I was not given any help or advice from my dealership.
Okay, so the reply is, current warranty advice requires the customer to immediately contact their local Swift dealer or Swift approved repair centre to carry out an inspection and repair. If possible, an immediate repair should be conducted using Gorilla Tape or any other waterproof duct tape.
Question 2. Why are claims being rejected due to lack of service history, but the sunroof is not a serviceable item?
The terms and conditions of our manufacturer warranty scheme should be adhered to. A full service history is essential to ensure components, including the sunroof, are regularly inspected for early signs of degradation or failure.
Why was there no recall when it became apparent there was a fault?
A product recall is not necessary as the failure does not manifest itself in every product. Where products are affected, we are working closely with our dealer network and authorised workshops to rectify faults as soon as possible.
Number 4. What causes the sunroof to crack, as there are mixed reasons for the failure?
Cracking of the sunroof pane can be caused by a number of issues. These include incorrect installation, external chemical attack, impact damage, and prolonged periods of storage with the blind in the fully closed position, which can lead to excessive heat exposure.
What age of caravan can have the sunroof replaced?
All caravans with a full service history and which are within their respective warranty periods, 10 years for the first owners and 6 years for second and subsequent owners, will have a replacement honoured.
Number 6. Is the mechanical sunroof for sprites only?
All products in production now have the mechanical sunroof fitted.
Number 7. Is there any cover for second use owners?
Yes, 6 years for second and subsequent owners with a full service history.
Number 8. Can a Swift set up a sunroof replacement workshop to ease the long queues for a new sunroof and reduce the wait time at dealerships?
We are currently exploring options to set up a workshop to speed up repairs.
Number 9. Can the sunroof be replaced with the old sunroof under warranty? If the warranty is run out, what happens if the replacement cracks?
We have conducted extensive testing for both mechanical and bonded sunroof solutions, and we are confident that if these are installed correctly by competent persons, they will perform adequately within the expected service life window.
Number 10. Can the replacement sunroof be purchased by owners to repair it themselves?
Warrantable claims should be undertaken by a Swift Group dealer or a Swift approved repair centre. For products outside warranty, we offer a retail service via our dealer network to purchase parts. We would always recommend that these be installed by competent persons.
Number 11. Some have been waiting over 6 months for the sunroof to be delivered to the repair shop. Is there a shortage?
There is no shortage of components. We are working with our supply chain and dealer network to expedite parts as quickly as possible to our Swift dealers and approved repair centres. We're offering training to our partners where necessary.
Number 12, how do you prioritise who gets their sunroof next?
There is no shortage of sunroofs. Orders are prioritised in sequence.
Number 13, are the dealerships pushing you for parts? A lot of folk are getting very fed up with dealerships' lack of urgency, even more so when the Caravan is leaking in.
We continue to communicate regular updates to our Swift Group dealers and Swift approved centres, who in turn can update their customers accordingly.
Number 14, some customers, Peter Murray, live in Hull but have to go to a dealer 100 miles away to have the sunroof repaired. I suppose this links into question 8.
Okay. As per manufacturer warranty scheme, the customer should always contact their supplying dealer in the first instance, as they are obliged to carry out any warranty work. However, the Swift Group will authorise any Swift Group dealer or Swift approved repair centre to carry out the work. However, it is at the discretion of the individual dealer whether they take on any additional customers.
Number 15, can the sunroof area be replaced with an infill of GRP for older vans?
We do not offer any solution to fill the sunroof aperture.
Number 16, are there any plans to abandon the sunroof altogether?
Having pioneered the introduction of the panoramic sunroofs, they remain a key aesthetic and functional element of our touring caravans. There are no plans to remove this feature from our products. And that is all 16 questions. Well, folks, that's the 16 questions that we put to Swift regarding the replacement sunroof. Now, if you have any further inquiries or questions, I will be leaving an email address in the description below where you can contact Swift. It is their inquiries line. If you don't wish to do that, you can also use the Swift Life portal as well. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.